Howdy, folks! In today's quiz, you need to come up with 3 answers in 5 seconds. That's the game. Sometimes there will be more than 3 answers, but you only need 3 answers to win. Here's question 1.
Can you name 3 ingredients in a BLT sandwich? Bacon, lettuce, tomato, bread, and maybe you like a smidge of mayonnaise. Easy one here, you only have to name 3 of the 7 dwarfs. Doc, grumpy, happy, sleepy, bashful, sneezy, and dopey. This one might be tricky for some. Can you name the 3 Scandinavian countries? Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. Humans have 5 senses. Can you name 3 of them? Sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Can you name the 3 colors on the French flag? Blue, white, and red. Let's spice things up with question 6. Can you name 3 of the Spice Girls? Sporty, posh, ginger, scary, or baby spice? Do you have a favorite Spice Girl? Name 3 of the Olympic ring colors. Blue, yellow, black, green, and red. Name 3 countries that start with the letter H. Haiti, Honduras, and Hungary. Name 3 bones in a human arm. Humerus, radius, and ulna. Can you name 3 months that have 31 days? January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. How did you go in today's quiz? Don't forget to tell me your favorite Spice Girl. I was always a Mel B fan. Bye for now.